Did you know you can make a smoothie in Thermomix? I'm using a recipe from Cookie Dough, and this is the tropical smoothie they have. And the serving size originally is for 3, but I'm making just for 1. If you don't have the fresh fruits, you can use frozen because we're gonna freeze this anyway. So 1 banana, 1 mango, so yummy. I got these at Costco and they're so sweet and perfect, ready to eat. So just gonna cube these up and putting everything in a Ziploc bag, and it will go into the freezer. Now this will be so much quicker if I had frozen one, but I don't. So here we are. Cookie Dough is a yearly subscription, which I do have, and I added this recipe to my make today, and I'm also gonna make peanut butter later. Super easy to follow the recipe. It just tells you what to put. It's said to put 1 ounce of sugar. I'm putting a little bit less. I just remembered that this was for 3. I'm making for 1, so it shows in here 2 bananas, I'm adding 1, and the next slide shows 3 mangoes. I'm only adding 1 mango. That's fine. And it says to add coconut cream, which is too fatty for me, so I'm using coconut milk and adding less than 13 ounces. I do like it creamy, but not to the point where it leaves like a layer of fattiness in your mouth. So I think the coconut milk is perfect for this. I had the can, so use the canned one. If you have one from the bottle in the fridge, use that. Whatever, anything works really. And a little bit of water, and then ready. Put the lid on. It will lock on its own. It will not start if the lid is not on, so you never have to worry about accidental mess like a regular blender. It tells me to put the blender speed on to 8, and it's supposed to blend for a minute, but I felt like it was enough, and I had 34 seconds left, and it was perfect. It was super creamy, a little bit thick. I could have added a little bit more water, but still it was so good, so filling, and pretty easy to make. Thermomix is getting more and more popular in America, but it is very highly used in Europe and Australia because it has so many machines all in once. You can make whipped cream in it, you can make soup, stew. I know there's recipes for doughs and breads, which you're gonna end up baking in the oven, but you mix it all in here without having to use multiple machines and gadgets and make a mess. So enjoy.